Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 exams. So I hope that you know that I host free live classes daily on Unacademy at 7 p.m. Yes, these classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. And today I will be telling you that we are studying JIGL of CS Executive Module 1 and continuing with the Chapter 2, that is Constitution of India. I will be hosting two special live classes today and Tuesday. Yes, so Sunday, that is 16th, and on 18th, 17th is off. So on 16th, that is today at 7 p.m., I will host the topic of fundamental duties, ordinance making powers, and legislative powers of the union and the state. So we will be discussing all these topics in details, and I don't only teach but also conduct polls, that is a form of question answers through which we can interact and test your knowledge as well. And likewise on Tuesday, that is on 18th, sharp at 7 p.m., we will discuss the topics of judiciary, writs, and delegated legislation, with which we will complete the chapter of Constitution of India. So if you have not seen the videos yet, I would request you to join the session. दोनों ही classes के class links नीचे description box में दिए होंगे. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that before the session begins, you get a notification. As I told you, classes free हैं. Unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. Other than that, if you take any Unacademy subscription for CSCS CMA course using my code CSJAS, you will get flat 10% discount and a one-on-one mentorship call with me. How can you schedule a call? The steps will be given in the description box below. So go and check the steps and follow them to schedule a call with me. Looking forward to see you all sharp at 7 p.m. today. Bye.